Have you ever felt surrounded by nervousness without any particular reason? Or do you constantly worry about small things? You might think that this is just a temporary feeling, but if this anxiety and fear start affecting your life, it can become a serious issue. Today, I'm going to talk about anxiety. Anxiety is a feeling that everyone experiences at some point, but when it begins to disrupt your daily life, it is no longer just a normal feeling. It becomes an illness that can affect you emotionally, physically, and socially. It can interfere with your daily tasks. That's why anxiety symptoms should not be ignored. Let's begin with the first symptom, excessive worrying. Constant worrying is a common sign of anxiety. This worry can occur without any particular reason, and sometimes grows so intense that you can't focus on your tasks. For example, worrying repeatedly about small things or thinking whether you forgot something when leaving the house. Second, restlessness. Feeling restless or anxious is another common sign of anxiety. During this time, you may find it difficult to sit still, and you always feel a sense of inner nervousness or agitation. Both your mind and body remain restless. For example, you may be shaking your leg or moving your hands repeatedly. Third, fatigue. Anxiety often leads to fatigue, even if you haven't done much physical work. Anxiety and worry exhaust your mind so much that you feel tired and weak without doing any work. You may feel lethargic and low on energy throughout the day, even if you haven't engaged in any heavy physical activity. Fourth, difficulty concentrating. It becomes difficult to concentrate when anxious. Your mind gets stuck on unnecessary things, and as a result, you can't focus on your work. For example, you could be working on something, but your mind keeps drifting to irrelevant thoughts. Fifth, irritability. Anxiety can make you feel irritable. Small things may irritate you, and you might get angry quickly. For example, even a simple-hearted joke might offend you, and you may get upset with others for no reason. Sixth, sleep problems. Anxiety often disturbs your sleep. You may find it hard to fall asleep at night, and even if you do, you may wake up multiple times unable to fall back asleep. Seventh, muscle tension. Anxiety causes tension in your muscles. You may unknowingly keep your body stiff, which can lead to headaches, neck pain, and back pain. You may feel constant stiffness in your shoulders and neck without any specific reason. These are some common symptoms of anxiety. Now let's look at the types of anxiety disorders. There are several types of anxiety disorder, such as 1. Generalized Anxiety Disorder, GAD. People with GAD tend to excessively worry about everyday things. They find it difficult to control, and this interferes with their day-to-day activities. 2. Panic disorder. Panic disorder involves sudden and intense fear that causes physical symptoms. 3. Social anxiety disorder. In this disorder, people feel nervous or shy in social situations. 4. Specific phobias. People with specific phobias experience severe fear related to a particular object or situation. This leads to anxiety or panic attacks when exposed to the object of fear. These are some main types of anxiety. Now, we come to the most important part, which is the treatment of anxiety, such as 1. Medications. To treat anxiety, doctors often prescribe antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications. These medications work by balancing the chemicals in the brain to help control your anxiety. Medications can be a common and effective way to treat anxiety, but it's important to use them only under the supervision of your psychiatrist or doctor. Every medication works differently, and its effects can vary from person to person. 2. Psychological treatment. Psychological treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, are very effective for anxiety. In this therapy, you recognize your negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. Therapy sessions help you understand what triggers your anxiety and how to find solutions so that you can manage your anxiety. 3. Lifestyle changes can also help control anxiety. Regular exercise, mindfulness, and meditation are ways to reduce anxiety symptoms. Improving your diet and sleep patterns can also help manage anxiety. Exercising daily triggers the release of natural mood-boosting hormones in your body, which reduce anxiety and make you feel better. 4. Brain stimulation therapy. In severe anxiety cases, where medications and therapies don't work, brain stimulation therapy can be a good option. This therapy involves directly stimulating the brain to control anxiety symptoms. Techniques like repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, rTMS, can be used to treat anxiety, which can be effective in severe cases. I hope this video gave you a good overview of anxiety symptoms and treatment. If you or a friend is experiencing these symptoms, please seek help from a mental health professional. It's important to take care of your mental health. If you liked this video, please like it and share it with your friends so they can benefit from it as well. Thank you.